Ever sat down to create content and your mind just goes completely blank? You know you need fresh ideas, but nothing feels original, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to create an endless list of content ideas using ChatGPT and Make.com, completely automated. So the first thing you need to do is head over to Make.com and set up an account. I'll put a link in the description. So when we've done that, what we're going to do is to create a new scenario. We're going to click on ChatGPT, open up that, and we select Generate Response from here. You'll have to add your API key. Once you've done that, you'll have a connection. You won't need to do it again. You get your organization ID from the OpenAI platform as well. Next thing we're going to do is choose a model. I'm just going to go with the default one, GPT-5. And then we need to add in our prompt. I'll put my prompt in the description below, and you can copy and amend it for your setup. Okay, let's run our prompt and have a look at the result. Wait for it to finish. And here we have our output. Click here and have a look at the actual JSON formatted result that we asked it to create. We'll need this in the next step. Now we need to add a JSON module, so click Add Module, select JSON, then select the Parse module. Now we need to add a data structure. To do that, click Generate. Now we need some sample data. We go back to our ChatGPT output, select the output bundle, copy all of this and then paste it into the sample data. Click Generate and this will automatically create our JSON structure. Let's get that out the way. Here we have the structure, we save that. Now we need to add the input for the module. Go to the ChatGPT output, select the result, and we're done. All good. So let's add the final module and get this into our Google Sheet. So before we add our next module, we need a Google Sheet with the headings topic, audience, tone, niche, goal, platform, and a status indicator. I'll put a link in the description so you can copy mine. Now we add our Google Sheets module. Click Add a Module, select Google Sheets, and this time we want to select Bulk Add Rows. You'll need a Google connection to do that. Click here, sign in with your Google account, and everything should be good to go. So now we need to set up our Google Sheet. To do that, we need the sheet ID. The easiest way to get that is to go to your Google Sheet URL. This part is the ID, the section between the / and before the edit. Copy that and put it into the ID field. I've left my sheet name as user1. Yours may be different. If you can't see it, deselect mapping. Then we need to select the range. I've just gone for A to Z. Depending how big the sheet is, you can select something bigger. Now we need to add the rows. For that, we take the output bundle from the JSON module and add it here. Now click Save and let's see if it works. Okay, let's click Run once and we'll wait for the AI prompt to run. We have a result. The JSON has updated and we've generated 5 rows in the Google Sheet. So let's have a look and see if it's worked. Success! We have our 5 topics. We've got our audience that we selected, the tone that we selected, the niche, the goal, the platform, and the status. Okay, so that's working. Now let's just say we wanted to run this every day, so we need to look at our trigger. This is where we can set our trigger. At the moment it's set to regular intervals, but we can set it to every day, on a Monday, once a month, whatever you want to do. For example, let's set every day. You can select the time you want it to run. Let's say we set it for 8 AM in the morning and then select Save. Once you click Activate, the scenario is going to run every morning at 8 o'clock. How cool is that? So now you know how to automate topic creation using AI. Now you have no excuse to keep staring at a blank screen again. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, I've put all the links and prompts in the description below. Thanks for watching.